but this time we can make the other one. He's gonna be ready to done. Now we need some rainbow scissors. And this is not a real pencil. It's a real pencil, but it looks a fake pencil, right? But it is a real, but it's real. Why? It actually is real. Why? It actually writes on it. It kind of looks like it's not fake still. And also coming back, you know why it has this roots on it and this color? Why this is it's not a real pencil, it's a real pencil, but it's a really fun pencil. The name is Dairy Flavor. It's not dairy right here. It was having the pink one, bubble gum, the other ones all the colors. Now this one, we can see it. Now, we can start with the front. I also want to show you more things. Pick every color you want. And so you get black. You don't get also color railroad. It actually don't work on green and the black. Don't work it. Okay. It don't work on pink. It's just that like this. It's just works here. Nice like this. Now first we start with this. Now then it's like this. And the other. Now you get half a face. Now the eyes. Wait, you don't have to. Wait, maybe with the front. Now, here is the other face. Now, we can make the body and the other leg. Don't close it. After we'll make the other leg. We just make thighs. Looks looking from the other side. Now we can close it. Wait, it's hard to close it. This happens like. You know what? Let's escape to here. Now here has the glue. Right here, this is supposed to be dark green. Now, put the body. Now here. And here. Now this is the one that's dark green, now light. This only the light one. Wait, this is one? Okay. So now, I guess I need to save my easier. is hard. Wait. Let me see something right. Yeah. I'm going. Yes. Yeah. Now we're gonna make it here. Let's go to that point. Oh my god. Let's mix it once here. This stuff is it. Good. Wait, don't go to neck. Oh my god, this is very funny. The cover. No. This is fancy. Come on, mister. Okay. Put the plastic like this. I'm gonna cut some of the things. Right here. Oh my gosh, it's done. Great. Now done. This is the frog. Wait, where's the other frog? Oh, it's here. Like that looks the same. Now pretending this going the other way. Now this was the little paper and this was the pink paper. Actually. Now this was a stand, but I just got the over of it. Now he's this doing nothing. I think he's just flying around. First was the shark and after this frog. This is a little sticky there. This is why I don't hold it in two hands. It's a little sticky in his hand and this can hold like this to be a little real. I don't guys still hear that sound. He's hopping around. He's hopping around. He's still sleeping. Now he wake up. He just fell asleep. He's hopping around, hopping around. Sleep. Hopping around. Sleep. Did you see this? Like saying the way he just fell right. But then he just fly away. He's right here. And he's back. Now he's lucky. Now please push this. Okay, the train. Ding 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 ding. He's just sleeping now. I need to wait here. He's just scary. He's sleeping. He keeps sleeping. He's just eating, drinking water, whining. He just plays. I think he's trying to get something. Oh, he gets swimming in the water. Get this on the water. Now he's asleep. Just get sleep in here. Just get sleep in here. Just sleep in. It's a fire! How he did hold the pencil? He's holding the pencil. He's not stronger enough. He's just trying to kill him. He thinks it's a monster, but it's not. It's just a pencil. He never smells the face. He's doing the hot on. But then he's like sleepy now. But he found out. Now, subscribe for our videos. See you in my next video. When you like, subscribe the video and comment your name. Goodbye. Yeah. Oh.